some misconceptions about cats or veterinary medicine that you would want to address or clarify for people? Are there any? I know this is also kind of like a doozy of a question. Yeah.
Misperceptions about cats. That I think the biggest misperception is that if they're acting like everything is normal, that they are normal.
Mm-hmm.
I think the biggest thing is making sure that they're being checked regularly because they will definitely not show you if they're sick until they're really sick. And
Right.
so that's one big doozy.
You tell everybody like how often cats should be checked. Like I know.
The kittens have to go through a kitten series, so usually we're seeing them every 2 to 4 weeks until they're about 16 weeks old. But a healthy kitten or a healthy adult cat, once a year is typically enough. But then once they reach, their mature years, once they become geriatric, and so for cats, I kind of think of that as around 10-ish. For dogs, it's earlier, but for cats, they can live definitely longer. But around then, I recommend every 6 months.
Yeah.
And I think, people don't realize it, but because they age faster than we do, things do actually start to develop faster than they do for us. And so, if you think about like a year in the life of a cat, that's like several years in our life. And so things really can change pretty quickly. So it's good to keep an eye on things.